Hi interns, this is Dr. Ravindra Gupta, Chairman Aviana Group. About this video, I want to talk to you how to make your internship success. Because I think internship being a part of the college curriculum, many students want to do. And today, not all are serious. Some students today, if you see, today not only are doing one but three internships they're trying to manage. As if they are multitasked, but in this multitasking, the justice doesn't happen even to a single internship. So how to really take internships and how to be success in that? See, first of all, any internship you choose, try to do with one organization at a time. Because see, if internship means like you're working in industry environment, whether it's an office or work from home, see, and you go to industry 9 to 6 office timings. You cannot escape, you have to work, task is given. So if you're working from home, you think in 2 hours you're doing an internship task, and in next you do another internship. You may get trapped in such a way that you may be tensionized, you may not do one also properly what to say of two. So coming on to even the one internship, how you should do properly. See, I would like to tell you, most important part of internship today is that you should be very careful and know about the topic that you are shortlisting for the internship. The topic should be such, like I give you example, there is an internship where you have to send emails to the company for medical insurance. Now you're a finance student. You may think, it's an email internship, it's email marketing. It's not email marketing. Clear the topic first. So I was talking the 30-40 responses that you get. In that 30-40 responses also, you can have a very good analysis to make. That analysis can be, as I say, sector wise, as I said company wise, as I said spend wise, what the company spend, as I said small and big companies by the size. You got a lot of Google information, you classify and then make the analysis and relate it to the objective. Because once you relate it to the objective, trust me, the knowledge gained will be very nice. And with the all Google based search you have done, it really helps you out. Now once you have completed the internships, share that project with the company also and with the college mentor also. Initially, if the college mentor says no, give me final only, show to the company person. He may advise you changes, he may give you the certificate of completion. Then he'll be very happy that you have shared with him. Now once you've shared with him, he has acknowledged it, make it presentable, send it to the college and prepare for the Viva. See, Viva, 2-3 questions are very common in internships. What are those common questions? The first question for Viva is, what was the objective and how did you do these internships? Third was, what is your learnings? Fifth, what do you think the referral mentor would say about you? Okay, and all those things, when you today have done proper internships, you will be able to answer very nicely. And let me tell you again and again, internship is just not for college completion. Internship is today an exercise which trains you how the industry works, so that when you get back to the industry, as actual placement happens, the learnings of internship will be very helpful for you, whether you work from home or in the corporate.